Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me MX Master 3 for Mac, and now I'm gonna show you how to charge this mouse. So as you know, this is the best mouse for Mac devices and not even for Macs. But how we can charge it, because here we have no rechargeable rechargeable. So here we have one rechargeable battery, but we have no the rechangeable batteries. Okay, and here we have the USB-C entrance, you can see, but not every cable you can insert inside, because you need to have the thin cable to insert in. So I need to find it firstly, but it's very easy to do. For example, I have this cable, and to enable it you need to insert it, and that's it. But firstly, of course, you need to connect it to the power source in this way, then in this way, and then if your mouse is charging, you will see the blinking LED indicator here on the left side of this mouse. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.